mga puso nung siyam na tao, pero talaga naman pagka nilapitan mo sila, they will always be there. And may I call, and I call them our lucky nine. Oh, yeah. These are our lucky nine, no? Kung, kung hindi dahil sa kanila, walang affair tonight, no? So may I call them on stage, no? From my left, Eddie C, please. Vic Ong is not here. Ewan ko kung ngayon ko tatawagin si Vic agad, pero mamaya dahil meron siyang Eddie, please. No? Of course, June Pineda, no? So, don't forget, sa December 4, June Pineda opened his resort para sa atin lahat. Right? So, ang inaasahan niya, mga 200 ang pupunta ron. Because, kaya nung resort niya, 300. Alright? Meron siyang 300 rooms doon. Kaya, he is inviting everybody. Gumita na tayo na. December 4 to 6, no? So, meron na mga ginagawa dyan. Oh, of course, Francis Sebastian. Please, come up. My favorite cowboy, all right, Congressman Pablo Ortega. Kita nyo na. Ito ba si Kong? Sabi niya, baka daw galing sa flood control. Nelson Carandang cannot join us tonight. Every time, palagi siyang may kompromiso first week of December. Junji Vasquez. Oh, si Dino. This is Dino, right? No, Dino. Oh, eto. tignan niyo naman ang forma nito, no? Close up lang. Dapat yan nilayo para nakita niyo kung anong ginagawa niya. David Chua. Itong Hall of Fame natin sa football, alam niyo ba, 2 ang Hall of Famers natin for those na hindi masyadong nandun sa ating Viber. 2 ang Hall of Fame sa high school 1971. David Chua in football and Ching Bugya, the Chief Wizard. Ching, tayo ka. Hall of Fame yan, no? In volleyball. Alright? Ito ang Hall of Famer in volleyball na ang laro, basketball. Alright? So, how that happened, your guess is as good as mine. Pero, congratulations, Ching. Of course, hindi namin kayo pababayaan na wala man lamang kayong konting sasabihin. No? Oh, ako pala yung nandun sa dulo. Marami na ako sinasabi, kaya tama na. Alright? So, I will start off with David, please. Haba-habaan mo naman.
Ako na naman?
Haba-habaan.
Oh, maraming salamat lang po. Yan ang masasabi ko. It's good to be part of the group.
Kasama ko. Well, my dad can't be here tonight, but he really wanted one of his children to represent him, and he's really honored that he's part of this. So hopefully he gets to see you guys very soon.
Hindi na po ako congressman. Baka kalahin nyo yung contribution ko galing sa flood control. I am proud to say na yung anak ko po, siya ngayon ang congressman, pero hindi po siya nasangkot sa flood control. Yun lang po. Kasi aral ng Sambeda yon. Kaya he is a graduate of Sambeda, kaya mahirap siya matemptasyon.
Happy to be here, happy to help our class. I would echo the call of Ed to remember Jimmy Chonko, who really connected me to this class. I would also remember a few friends. The latest of which is Robert Bobby Fileo. You might have known him, the great artist. I wish I could show you. He has an exhibit in Altromondo in Chino Roses. If you have time, please see his work. He will be a national artist one of these days. And of course, Father Ed and I were talking about other friends like Juan Canapi, formerly Johnny Canapi, yeah, and Roy Cayaban, also a good person to remember. So happy to be here, everyone, and happy to see everybody so alive. Thank you.
Sinabi mo ng lahat. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. I hope to invite everyone on Thursday, if you can, Thursday to Saturday sa Morong. Kahit one day lang. Just go. Thanks.
I've been there. Sobrang ganda ng beach. Kaya, if you have time, punta kayo. Okay? Anyway, thank you very much. The only thing I can say is, take care, guys, and watch out for your Golden Pride members para nandito pa tayo in every reunion. Yes. Basta GP, okay tayo.
Meron din, nasa na, nasa na yung La Moreneta? Andiyan na ba? Yeah. We are asking classmates, no, to present the La Moreneta. Yung La Moreneta is the Black Madonna, right? To each. No? So, meron lang oh, there you are. Para kay Jun Pineda. Uy, thank you. Pakihawak mo na lang muna. Or pwede pakibaba. Pablo Ortega. Kailan? In order pa natin yan sa Montserrat, no? Sa Barcelona. Francis Sebastian. David Chua. And then I will have to ask Joey Mendoza to receive the La Moreneta in behalf of Nelson Carandang. No, sa akin yan. Yung kay Nelson Carandang. Joey, please. No? And kailangan Joey rin eh. Okay. So Joey Mendoza in behalf of Nelson Carandang and Joey Nangkayon in behalf of Vic Ong. Joey Nangkayon. Kailangan Joey yung tumatanggap eh. Joey Mendoza. Tama naman, ang nagbibigay niyan kaklase sa kaklase. Okay. So, papapicture lang muna tayo. Alright? Papapicture lang tayo. So again, bigyan natin ng masigabong palakpakan yung ating Lucky Nine. Kung hindi dahil sa kanila, walang ganito. No? Masarap silang makausap. Ang sagot sa'yo, when do you need it? Ha? Ang pangalawang sagot sa'yo, how do I send it to you? No? So maraming salamat to our Lucky Nine. At this point, I would like to call on Father Ed, impromptu. No, sabi niya, anong gagawin ko doon? Father, bakit pumunta ka lang? No? Magaling naman si Father Ed on impromptu. So Father Ed, Abot Ed, please.
I was told to be brief because you're all very hungry. But I have to tell you this, it's a great joy to see all of you and to see all of you together. And I can already notice that in our Viber group. I want to apologize to you that I have not actively participated in that. But I can also assure you that I've been reading, the things that is found there. Finally, I just want to say, this is an emerald jubilee. And emerald is a very special gemstone. It was not invented. It is associated with something. Emerald is associated with life because it is color green. And not only that, it is rare. And, more rare than gold or silver. And then also, finally, there is, that hardness, that faithfulness, and that resilience. I promise you that you will all be in my prayers, and we will always invite you if there is any kind of spiritual input that I have to give, because I was recently asked to be the spiritual advisor of the Alumni Association. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Father Ed. What an absolutely beautiful message. And now I know that everyone is feeling a little bit hungry and very excited for dinner, but before anything else, let us please ask all of our Sun Beta Batch 67 and 71 for one big group photo on stage with Father Ed, of course. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's please proceed on stage. Don't be shy. We'd like to request all of our brothers from batch 67 and 71 to please proceed on stage. Take up space. Let's go ahead and do that for now. Yes, all of you. Don't be shy. Thank you, sir. All right. That's the spirit. Take up space, everyone. Let's go on stage. Kaya po yan ng stage. We want to see your beaming smiles. Talaga naman, ang popogi. Let's go ahead and do that. Let us mark this occasion. Let's take a group photo. Find your places, everyone. Ayan. Meron tayong choreography. Okay. A little assistance over here. We are good. Everybody.